Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So I'll be designing another flyer for you today. It's a party flyer also. So these are my flyers. These are free PSDs that you can download. You can play around it. You can download for free. Over 90 files for free to download. Over 90 files to download. It's actually what you see as premium on other channels. I'm giving that for free. Just watch the video, download and use for your clients. You can see we are almost at 2,000 subscribers. So please do well to subscribe. Please subscribe. Turn on your post notification. When I drop videos, so you can get notified that let's play around our design and have fun. So I'll start by creating something different. Oh, sorry, let me delete all this. So as you've seen before, my page size is 2000 by 2000. So for this is a background that I got online also. Decided to play around it to have fun. Can play around your design and have fun with your design. So what I do is I combine different backgrounds for my design. Different backgrounds that I get online. Just play around it. Just have fun with the design. It's always good to have fun with your design. You can use this multiplier. You can even decide to use any kind of blend mode. You can even remove it. You still get your preferred design. It's a very nice design. You can work and play around it. So this is what I do, my designs. So I first bring my background, as you've seen. Then let me turn this all this off. Oh, sorry, let me turn all this off. Turn all this off. I like to use light overlays a lot in all my videos, so you can play around it. So what I did there, after dropping the background here, this background was created with different images. You can see different shapes. This is a normal shape. This is a normal color, normal brush color. I created this background with normal brush color. You can see, just gently touch and go. Let me show you how I created this. On your keyboard, press B on your keyboard. You can change your foreground color to any color you want. Just let's choose this. It's kind of green. And if I tap once now, you can change the blend mode to any color. You can see. You can see something like this. You still get your preferred design, preferred color. So that's exactly how I got this particular shades here for this. Then I got this particular design on Pinterest. So I was able to create my own. So, and I wanted to get the green type of color. So I added a color overlay. I grouped both layers and I added a color overlay to both images. Let me show you how I got it. You can create a new layer, or bring this outside like this, create clipping mask. Now click on this solid color, any color you want. Now change the blend mode to color. You can even reduce the opacity if you feel the opacity, just to play around, just have that that nice deep feel. You can just play around your design. It's not a big deal. So that was exactly how I got that part. So for this lady image, I got this image online. I bought it online rather. So as you've seen in all my videos, if I had an image, I would also had this gradient tool over here. If you want to get this gradient tool, what you do is click like this, create new layer right here, change your foreground color back to black, click on gradient tool like this, and gently brush up. Simple as that. You've gotten your gradient tool. So now exactly how I got this gradient tool. Now for this, okay, let me turn on this. For this text, you can see this is a normal text that I got online. So I use the font luckiest guy regular. Now for this, I use stroke size 10, opacity and position outside, opacity 100. Color I used, color I used for the stroke 064B24. Then pattern overlay, I use this pattern overlay. You can get this pattern overlay online. You can get it online. It's very simple and straightforward. Pattern overlay, just play around with it, just have your own kind of pattern. Because I think I already uninstalled this pattern. I had multiple patterns, but if you want to use pattern, you can download it on you can just search Google for patterns for designs in Photoshop. So to give you different type of pattern, then you can play around it, the angle, the shape, and the size and the size and the opacity. You can play around it. Then outer glow, not necessary. You can even turn it off. Self. You see get required. So you can even add shadow to this. Instead of outer glow, you can add shadow. You still get the same result. So as usual, I usually add my lights to my designs, just have that glow feel. Then this is a normal shape, normal shape that I usually do. Then this, just to have from my designs and everything. So it's very, very simple and straightforward. So if you have any questions, please do well to ask me in the comment section, and I will answer all the questions. So thank you very much.